Hello viewers, today I decided to talk again about our brother's property in Lagos, which has been demolished. The trending news, Landmark Beach Resorts. As we sympathize with him, let it be a very big lesson to our people. Let it be a big lesson to our people in Lagos, those investing their life savings in Lagos. Let it be a very big lesson to them, not just Lagos, other places here in Nigeria. So when I got the news about the planning, when they were planning to demolish the place, I talked about it. I also watched our brother Dave Umahi, who is the Minister of Works. From what he said on national TV, Arise TV, sorry, he talked about the planning demolition there, that the demolition will not affect Landmark Beach, that the coastal road will not affect Landmark Beach Resorts. So they are just planning to demolish some shanties. I was like, shanties? So, but as you can see, I will show you all the video to see. It has been demolished. As far as I'm concerned, Landmark, those, if you've been to Landmark, with what happened there, some section that has been demolished, Landmark, I doubt that place is as good as nothing. I've tried to dissect the whole scenario playing out concerning this coastal road. From what I learned, this very project that will cost Nigeria trillions of naira didn't go through National Assembly for deliberation. The project, the money was earmarked, and the project was given to Chagori Group, a Lebanese company, owners of High Tech, the company that is constructing the road. This is the same company that owns Eco, that is funding Eco Atlantic City in Lagos. So I've tried Eco Atlantic City, and mind you that this project didn't affect Eco Atlantic City. And Landmark, if you've been to Landmark, Landmark is not far from Eco Atlantic. So I don't know what they are trying to achieve with this. We have more pressing issues in this country that requires funding, not wasting money on trillions of naira on coastal road. Yeah? Almost all the federal roads are in deplorable shape. Energy power sector is almost on ground zero. Now is to embark on coastal road. This is a project that the environmental impact assessment report is not out yet. Why the hasty decision to construct that road if there is nothing sinister behind it? We have more pressing issues in this country that requires government and federal government attention. A whole lot is going on. Not coastal road, Landmark. If you've been to Landmark, the event center, or the almost tourism, Lagos tourism is centered towards Landmark. It's the biggest tourist sector, tourist center in Lagos. So I don't know if they are seeing Landmark as a big threat to their investments, Eco Atlantic. So the hasty demolition of Landmark, with even after so many Nigerians were talking against the plan of demolition of Landmark, still yet they went ahead to demolish Landmark beach. And the whole thing, you notice that they are using our brother Dave to achieve their aim. And Dave, I don't know, sometimes I wonder if our politicians, some of our politicians, think, if they think at all, if they have retentive memory from what Rotimi Amechi, what they did to Rotimi Amechi, Rochas Okorocha, Ojus Okalo, even Chimaroke Nnamani. We know how during period to national election, how he came online was just disgracing himself and all that. At the end of the day, what happened to Chimaroke? Where is he today? Same thing with Obonniano. We know how they use Obonnian. End of the day, during the APC primary, we know how late Obonniano came on television, was busy, emotional about what Igbos are going to, and they know all this. They know all this. Dave came on television complaining, saying that what they would demolish is shanties. I will show you all the video to tell me if these things, what they demolish shanties. They are using him against his brother. Same Dave is coming on TV attacking, saying that Obi is Obi is instigating Southeast against Tinubu's government. Yeah. We know all this. They know the truth, but it's so disheartening. Watching these guys because of their interests, which I know at the end of the day they will use them and dump them, but it's hard for them to learn. So as we sympathize with our brother, let this be a lesson to us, for those that use all their life investments to invest outside Southeast. So let it be a lesson to us. So I will show you all the video of Landmark Beach that has been demolished. If you've been there, that the areas that was demolished, that's the major, the fun of Landmark. If you've been to Landmark, that's where they happen, all the things happen. That's the beauty of Landmark Beach Resort. So outside those areas, the remaining part of Landmark is just the invest center and the hotel. And what attracts people to Landmark is that beach. What they did there, they have a whole lot there which has been demolished. Landmark Beach pays billions of naira to Lagos state government as tax. And I've seen video clips of Paul inviting governors of Lagos to Landmark Beach, thinking he has a good rapport with them. But at the end of the day, with all the contacts, Landmark Beach has been demolished. This to tell you, these guys, when you think that you are in good terms with them or you have a good rapport with them, once they are ready for you, they will kick you out. That's them for you. Imagine destroying the biggest tourist center in Lagos because of Coastal Road, which to me is uncalled for. Same Coastal Road that connects southwest to south-south, according to them, a huge project that will amount some filling so many areas. Nigeria government that have not constructed road on mainland For how many years Nigeria government have been constructing east-west road? How many years they've been constructing east-west road? But it's hard for them to complete. Same road that connects, that same east-west road connects south-south and southeast, southwest and south-south. But for years they've been struggling to construct that road. Now they've abandoned that one. Is a coastal road that requires a whole lot of sand filling. Sand filling is, to me, is impossible. They can't achieve that. They can't achieve it. And mind you, once Tinubu's tenure is out, once he's out, the next president, because if from what article, go and read what article said, this project didn't come through the National Assembly. Because had it been, it came through the National Assembly, they would have stopped that project. And you think another government after Tinubu will come and fund that project that will require trillions of naira, and you believe that Tinubu will finish this project? That project is just Lagos. They will just construct part of Lagos State and abandon it. They should have started that project. A huge project like that wouldn't have given to a single construction company. Such a big project would have given to 3 or 4 construction companies for them to start from different areas. At least start from Calabar section, or that will start from middle if they are, if truly they want to construct that road. But they are giving it to high tech that have been constructing Lekki Ajah Express Road for how many years? Lekki Ajah is the same company that is handling that huge project. They've been constructing Lekki Ajah Road for years to Lakwe. They've not completed it. Talk more of this very one. So when you go through, analyze, dissect what is happening, now just know that it's all about game. You just want to push this guy out of the way. Landmark beach resorts, to them, is a big threat to Eco Atlantic City projects. And mind you that Paul is building apartment building, about 20-story apartment building there, where people will live. Then they can come to all it takes. You can apartment building where you live, come have fun and all that, go back. It has a hotel there already. So the tourism in Lagos is centered towards Landmark. It has an event center. Mind you, Eco Chagori Group, they have Eco Event Center. So, and Landmark also have an event center. So they are seeing him as a big threat. They just want to use that to kick him out. So let this be a lesson to us. So relax and let me show you all the video of Landmark Beach that was demolished. This is a man that invested his life savings. From what I heard, he said he sold everything he has in UK to come and invest here in Nigeria. Took loans. This is the end of it. So disheartening. So disheartening. So watch and learn. Thanks.